All well. Let me have paste chat links in the chat box and then you will meet your mentor. Okay, so here I have pasted few chat links. First link is of syllabus link. Hi Ridyansh. Good evening. All right. So here Ridyansh, quickly paste your school name in the chat box. Meanwhile, I'll repeat again. I flow of the session. First, you will get a chat links in the chat box, which I have already pasted. Moving ahead, you'll be going to meet your mentor. Then you'll be going to get to know about your course through informative PPT along with the dashboard tour. Okay. So first link is of syllabus link. If you want to check your syllabus, you can click on this particular link. In case you have not enrolled for this batch, you can click on this payment link and we'll see you in the classes. In case you want to share a feedback with us, you're always welcome for the same. Fill up this feedback form and we'll take it properly. So in case you want to know in detail about this batch, you can click on this all batch details and then you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, you're always welcome to mention in the emails support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So Ridyansh is from Kendriya High, the global school. Nice. Hi, Ahana. Good evening. So quickly type it in the chat box, Ahana, from which school you are joining us, school and city. All right. So meanwhile, I think I should take you to the direction towards your mentor. She's already here with us. Her name is Miss Komal. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging and she loves to interact with young kids like you. And I'm pretty sure you'll be going to learn something productive. And she is into teaching profession since so long. So cherry on the top for you. So all over to you, Komal ma'am. Oh, Ahana is from Singapore.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. Hi, everyone. Ishani, Aditya, Ahana, Rudayansh. Show me your thumbs up and your smile. Okay. Aditya Anand, I know you because he was in my previous batch.
Right.
So I know him.
That's why he's smiling a little bit.
Yeah. How are you all? Everyone is good? Fine? Great.
Ma'am,
So I'm
I
very
had my
happy.
class with Sagun ma'am.
Yeah, okay, good, good. So, yes, I'm very much happy, very much excited to know you all, right? And so, first, let me introduce myself. I'm Komal Rachna, your maths mentor, and I'm a BTech IT graduate. I have worked with the IT industry, and as well as I have a very long experience in teaching also. I love to interact kids like you. I love to share ideas, and I want you that what are your ideas about some situation. If you get some question, what you are thinking about it, so that is also the thing I want to know from you all. Okay. So you know that Olympiad exam is a little bit different from your school curriculum, right? It is a little bit tricky one. You will enhance your analytical thinking skill, your logical thinking skill, if you do such type of questions. So what we are going to do in this session, we will discuss the topics, we will recap the topic, and then we will solve some questions, a little bit tricky questions on those topics. Okay. And it will help you enhance your knowledge, your concept, and how you have to take up the questions. So that will help you in these sessions. So my sessions are going to be very interactive. I want to talk with you all and I want to know your ideas, your thinking about the questions. So yes, I'm waiting for you all to interact with me in the sessions. So for now, I'll stop here because I have to give you the demo also. And I over to you, Pooja ma'am. After that, again, I will show you the demo.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with you all quickly. Yes, so I hope you all can see a PPT on your screen, which will be relevant for your course. All right, so if I talk about Olympiad Success, what is Olympiad Success? So Olympiad Success is one of the India's largest preparation platform where you get multiple courses with different subjects for your preparation. Of course, that's why you are here, right? So you'll be going to get all these preparation classes for different Olympiad examination and for different grades and for different boards for sure. So these all kids are rank holders. They are kids like you only. So if you also want to become a rank holder, what you have to do? You have to just spare 2 hours every day extra from your regular studies that you can prepare well and you can become a rank holder. Okay. So in level 2, you need to be very smart while solving your question. Okay. Because answer questions will be little tricky and little molded to make you confuse. So if I talk about what you'll be going to get in live classes, it will be group sessions with around 16 students delivered through Zoom platform by our seasoned tutors. So session will be 3 days per week. Days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. It will be included a topic-wise quick revision and discussion on previous year papers. Student will get reading material and of course practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard. Soon I'll be going to show you the same. So these all links are relevant for your course. Syllabus link is available on this. The fees for this course is 3,720 rupees and it will be 16 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this particular link. The fees includes online classes, daily reading notes, exercises, practice of previous year papers, level 2 questions, and access of platform. So what all you need? You just need a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, a headphones for better audio clarity. So live classes will be going to continue for coming Tuesday, that is January 7th. So this is all about your course. So let me take you through a platform and then we are good to go. So what you have to do is you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. Okay. Over here, you'll be going to mention your user ID. This is that ID which you will get it at the time of enrollment. So basically, this is your ID with which you will enroll. Okay. And password. And here you logged in. So this is a demo user ID which I have logged in. So after logging in, you'll get your profile details. You need to check in case you find any error, you can just rectify it over here and update it. Moving forward, you have to click on worksheet button to solve your mock test papers. So click on worksheet, select your subject, and here you go. You can see there are so many worksheets for your practice, right? Click on take exam, read instructions carefully, and then click on this checkbox, start worksheet. So here are the questions for you. So you can see the level of questions and little bit trickiness in the questions to make you confused, but you need to be very careful while solving your question and you need to do it on a very quick note. So that's why you have to fasten your speed by joining this course. So let's say find numeral of 9,820. So I'll be going to select the answer. So let's see whether it is correct or not. So next question, you have to select next. And then select answer. Keep on moving like this. The moment you are done with all your questions, you have to just click on finish button. Okay. So you can select it for mark and review also in case you have any doubt in any of the particular questions. So that way your answer will not go unattended. Let's say I want to submit my worksheet now. It is done. So in case you got your answer, you can select your correct answer on third question, which you have marked for review. Now I want to submit it, right? Click on finish button for the submission. So make sure that you review all your questions before submitting it, okay? So the best part of our platform is you can check your performance parallelly while solving your worksheet. Click on performance button, select your subject, and here you go. We have attempted your worksheet just now today, 30th. Click on view button and we can check the performance, how many answers are correct and how many are wrong. So you can see 2 are correct and 2 are wrong. Okay, so here you can see the correct answer as well as your answer also. Okay, second is wrong, third is wrong, first and fourth answer is correct. Clear? So this is how you'll be going to have access for your dashboard. So now, yes, we are all open for the question answers. So if anybody is having any question related to your course or dashboard, I'm unmuting you. Please feel free to ask, but turn by turn. Okay. First raise your hand and then I'll be going to unmute you. Who want to ask first? Anybody, any doubt, or all everybody is clear with the doubts? All clear? Okay, then shall we begin with the demo? Aditya, Mukund, hi Mukund. Mukund, quickly inform us from which school and city you're joining us. All good. Okay, so Komal ma'am, I think we are good to go for the demo.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Just a minute.
So can I share my screen now?
Yes, you can, ma'am.
Okay. I think it is visible to all of you. Can you just show your thumbs up? Okay, great. So today we are going to see some questions on this topic time, right? So first question here. Okay, let's see one thing. If you have a question, every line is some information about the question, right? So we don't have to skip any of the information because it is very much needed to answer that question. So the question is here, Angel decided to have some fun over the weekend. So she went shopping and ate lunch at a restaurant with her friends. This is just the storyline. She had finally returned home. Now the question starts. After taking a break, she began watching TV at 7:42 in the evening, 12 minutes after the show had begun. That means when the show had begun, after 12 minutes of the show had begun, she started to watch TV, and that time was 7:42 when she started watching the TV. Now your question is, the television show ended at 8:16 p.m. Right? The show ended at 8:16 p.m. How long did the TV show last? That is your question. So think about it and tell me what is your answer, everyone. I'll give you 1 minute and you can just put your answer in the chat box. Just one thing is important. She started watching TV 12 minutes after the show had begun. Okay? And the time is given when she started watching TV, 7:42. At that time, 12 minutes already show was started before 12 minutes. The show ends at 8:16 p.m. How long did the TV show last? So here you have to find start time of the show. First, find out the start time of the show. Any one of you want to write your answer in the chat box? What was the start time of the show? She began watching TV 12 minutes after the show had begun. Very good, Hridyansh. Very good. Okay, so Hridyansh has said that at 7:30 p.m. the show has started, right? And right after 12 minutes, she started watching TV at 7:42. Okay, Angel started TV at 7:42, and that time already 12 minutes before that the show had begun. So the show actually began at 7:30 p.m. Okay, and this end time of the show is given to you. End time of the show is already given in the question, 8:16 p.m. You have to find how long the TV show lasts. What was the duration of the TV show? Now it's very easy. Tell me for how many minutes that TV show was there. You have to find the time lapse from 7:30 to 8:16 p.m. Yes, try it, everyone. Very good, Aditya. That's correct. From 7:30 to 8 p.m. is a 30-minute duration, and from 8 p.m. to 8:16 p.m., 16 more minutes. So it's a 30-minute plus 16 more minutes. If you calculate like that, and it will be equal to 46 minutes. So the show lasted for 46 minutes. Option C is correct. Very good. Ahana, Ishani, very good. Aditya, very good. Good job, everyone. So in this way, we have to take the questions, right? All the information are very important. Okay, we will do the next question. Yes, Hridyansh, very good. Let's do the next one now. Yeah, this one. I'll read the question for you because in the demo session, you are not able to unmute yourself. Okay. So, Senorita doctor suggested her to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours per day. Okay, the doctor suggested her to sleep 7 to 8 hours per day. So, she sleeps for 7 hours 30 minutes in a day. Okay, so every day she is sleeping 7 hours 30 minutes. For how many hours did she sleep in the month of January? So, in the month of January, how many hours did she sleep? What you will do first, you will find how many days are there in the month of January. You all know that? Yes, very good, Ishani. 31 days. Number of days in the month of January is 31 days. And every day she is sleeping 7 hours 30 minutes. Very good, Ahana. So what you will do here to find the total hours, you will just multiply the 7 hour 30 minute with 31 days. Okay. So do it. 7 hours 30 minute. If you multiply with 31, so when we multiply this time with a number, what we need to do, we'll just multiply this 31 with the minutes, and then we'll multiply this 31 with the hours. So when we multiply this 31 with 30, what is our answer? We are getting 930 minutes. And if I multiply 7 hours with 31, 271 hours. But here what we can do, in this 930 minute, we can convert it into some hours, right? So 930 minute, how you will convert in the hours? You can divide it by 60. If you have some minutes given, you can divide it by 60. So 60 into 1 time. 60 into 5 times is 300. So that means this 930 minute is actually equal to 15 hour and 30 minute. 15 is the quotient, which is your hour, and 30 is in the remainder, which is the minute. So 930 minute is equal to 15 hour 30 minute. You have already 217 hour. So 217 plus 15 is how much? 232 hour, and then we have 30 more minutes. So your answer will be 232 hour 30 minute. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubt in this question number 2? You can ask. You can just raise hand if there is any doubt. No doubts? It's a simple one. Yes, Hridyansh. Hridyansh, you want to say something? Just a second. Let me unmute yourself. Oh. Okay, so I'm not allowed to unmute you. Can you just write what is your doubt? So this is the demo session. I cannot unmute you. Um, in the upcoming session, you can just unmute yourself and ask. You can write. Is there anything which you want to say? Or shall I explain it again? Okay, why do we have to divide by 60? See, Hridyansh, we have here 217 hours and 930 minutes, right? So 930 minute is a very big number. You can convert these minutes into hours also, right? So, you know, in 60 minute is equal to 1 hour, right? So if you have 930 minutes and you want to convert in the hours, so always when you are converting minutes into hours, you have to divide by 60. Okay, like 120 minute is how many hours? 2 hours. 120 divided by 60 is 2 hours. In the same way, 930 minutes equal to how many hours? You have to divide it by 60. So in this case, we got 15 in the quotient. That means it is a 15 hour and 30 is the remainder. So 30 minutes are still there. So 930 minutes is equal to 15 hour and 30 minutes, right? And that you have again added to the previous hour, that was 217 hour. This 930 is converted into 15 hour and 30 minutes. Got it? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Third one. Okay, let's see the third question. Kathy was trying to bake a cupcakes for the first time. She was following the instructions which is mentioned in the cookbook. She put cupcakes in the oven at 3:41 p.m. Okay, she put the cupcake in the oven at 3:41 p.m. The directions say that the cupcakes need to bake for 38 minutes. Okay, we have to bake the cupcakes for 38 minutes. What time will Kyla need to take them out of the oven? So she put the cupcakes at 3:41 p.m. It needs to bake for 38 minutes. So at what time she will take it out from the oven? Now it is a very easy one. You can try, all of you. Okay, I got answers from two of you, Aditya and Ahana. We'll see what let's see is it correct or not. Very good, that is correct. Aditya, Ahana, Ishani, that is correct answer. Very good. So what we need to do, we have to just add these 38 minutes to 3:41 p.m., right? So to make it a full hour, 3:41 p.m., if you add 19 minutes to it, it will become 4 p.m. Okay. 3:41 p.m. If you add 38 minutes, you will get 3. If you add again 19 more minutes to this 41 minute, you will get 4 p.m. and then 19 more minutes are left. So it is a 4:19 p.m. In this way also you can check, or what you can do, you can just add these minutes to the minutes. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 4 plus 3 is 7. You have 379. You can transfer the 60 minute to the hour part. So it will become 4 and 79 minus 60 is 19. So 4:19 p.m. You know how to add the times? We have already done this thing. I think everyone knows how to add the time. Minutes to the minutes and hour to the hours. So option B is correct. At 4:19 p.m., she should take it out from the oven. Right? Can we move ahead? Any doubts? No? Good. See the next one. Yeah. Andrea got behind on her reading assignment. So she had made a New Year resolution of reading daily, and she had read 4 chapters last night. She started at 8:05 p.m. and finished at 9:15 p.m. The above lines are the storyline just. She started to read at 8:05 p.m. and finished her reading at 9:15 p.m. How long did it take Andrea to catch up on her assignment? How long did she read? Okay, I'm getting the answer. Very good, Ahana. Very good, Aditya. Hridyansh, can you check it once? From 8:05 to 9:15, what is the time between 8:05 to 9:15? From 8:05 p.m. to 9:05 p.m. is a perfectly 1 hour. And then it is a 9:15. So if you add 10 more minutes to 9:05, it will be 9:15. So your answer should be 1 hour, 10 minutes. Got it, everyone? It was the easiest, I think. From 8:05, yes, Ishani? Ishani is saying something. Okay. From 8:05 to 9:05 is a perfect 1 hour. And then if you add 10 more minutes, it will become 9:15. So 1 hour, 10 minutes, she has done the reading. Okay, let's do the next one. Yes, Ishani, your hand is raised. You want to say something? Can you please write it in the chat box? Because today I'm not able to unmute you. Okay, Rocky's gym trainer suggested her to jog daily. She started jogging in a park at 10 minutes past 9. 10 minutes past 9. What is this time? Can you just tell me in the figures? Every one of you. 10 minutes past 9. What is the actual time? How we can write it in the figures? In the numbers. Very good, Ahana. Good. So 10 minutes past 9 is 9:10. Very good. How many minutes she jog if she wanted to end her run at 9:30? Okay, now everyone tell me, what is this time, 9:30? How we can write in the number or in the figure? 9:30. Very good, Ahana, Hridyansh, very good. Okay, so now we need to just find out how many minutes she must jog. She started her jogging 10 minutes past 9 is a 9:10, and she finished it at 9:30, which is 9:30. So for how many minutes she has done the jogging? Very nice, Ahana, Aditya, very good. Hridyansh, very nice. Okay, so this time gap or time lapse between 9:10 to 9:30 is just 20 minutes. So option A is correct. Good job, everyone. Very good, Hridyansh. Let's do the next one. Yes. Anderson is attempting an exam. He has 3 hours to complete all the questions. The exam began at 11 in the morning. Exam began at 11 in the morning, and now he has half an hour to go before the end of the exam. Now, so it's a time now. Now he has half an hour more to end the exam. What is the time right now? The exam started at 11 o'clock in the morning. The duration of the exam is 3 hours. So at this point, there is half an hour to end the exam. So what is this time now? Hridyansh, Aditya, your answer is correct. What is the time right now? Ishani, correct. The exam should end at 2 p.m. because the duration is 3 hours. So it should end at 2 p.m. So before half an hour here, now, what is the time? It should be 1:30 p.m. So option C is correct. I got many correct answers from you all. Ahana, Ishani, Hridyansh, Aditya, all of you. Good job. Let's do the next one. Yes, the next question. The paneer must marinate for 165 minutes. You know what is marination? Do you know cooking? Any one of you? So what we do before cooking some food, we marinate. It means we just put some spices on it and we just keep it in the refrigerator or somewhere to just mix all the spices with that food. That is called marination. So the paneer must marinate for 165 minutes. Before cooking it, we have to keep it with the masala, the spices for 165 minutes. The paneer is then typically spiced for 30 minutes before being served to the customer. Okay, what happens? Before being served to the customer, we have to spice it for 30 minutes. These are very important information. If a special guest orders spicy paneer for 7:10 p.m., there is a guest who is ordering paneer for 7:10 p.m. He wants that food item at 7:10 p.m. So when should the paneer begin marinating before it is served to the special guest? Now again, I'm telling, it will take 165 minutes for marinating, and before serving, we have to spice it for 30 minutes, right? That is the time we have to prepare that food item before serving. 165 minutes for marinating and 30 minutes for spicing it. So there is a guest who is ordering the food for 7:10 p.m. So when should we have to begin to marinate the paneer? Ahana is raising hand. You have to say something? Yes. And it is saying none. No, none of this are not the correct answer. Okay. How much time we need to prepare it actually? 165 minutes for marinating and 30 minutes before serving it. So total we need 195 minutes to prepare it before serving, right? 195 minutes is equal to how many hours and minutes? If you divide this 195 minute by 60, so this 195 minute is actually equal to 3 hours 15 minute. That means we need 3 hour 15 minute to prepare it. Yeah, 7:10 p.m. Anna, you have to serve it. So at what time you have to start the preparation? That is the question. You need 3 hour 15 minute actually to prepare it, right? Before serving it. So at what time you should prepare it? Before 7:10, you have to just subtract 3 hour 15 minute from 7:10. How will you subtract? Now 10 minus 15 is not possible. So what we do? It's an hour and it is minute. We'll just take a borrow of 1 hour. Right? When 1 hour we take a borrow, it comes in the minute as 60 minutes. So now you have 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. That is, you have now 70 minutes. And here you have only 6 hours. 70 minus 15 is how much? 55. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. So you have to start the preparation at 3:55 p.m. Then only you will be able to serve at 7:10 p.m. This is clear, everyone, or any doubt in the question you can ask? Yes, C is the correct answer. Very good. This is clear to all of you? Any doubt, please let me know. How we add the time, how we subtract the time when we have to take a borrow. from hour, when it comes in the minute, it becomes 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And then we have to do the subtraction. I hope it is clear to all of you. And many more questions like this we will solve in the upcoming sessions. I hope you like the demo. How you like? Can you just show your expression? Show me the thumbs up if you like it. Okay, thanks. So I'm excited to know and to meet you all in the upcoming sessions, right? Thank you, all of you. Can we leave? Okay, so please join the session on time, everyone. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.